How to manage open web pages in app on Google Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage open pages in app on Google Mobile. First you're going to go to Google and then click on your profile here on top. Click on it and then click this one, settings, and now click general and then go down and you will find this one here, open web pages in the app. Click on it and as you see, open web pages in the app has been turned off, and if you want to turn it on again, just one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.